So you guys see the discoloration here. That was from sanding. What's up guys, DIY Salvage Guy here, and on this channel we just learn as we go. Today's episode we're going to be back on the Mustang and we're going to be finishing up the trunk area with the spoiler. First we're going to try to buff it out and we realize it's not going to work, so we're going to get to wrapping that spoiler. Final wrap video for this car. So if you guys enjoyed this, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. Let's hop into this right now. Alright guys, today's episode we're going to be going over a little compounding. So when I was doing the Mustang, I sanded off the entire bumper. I basically tried to smooth it out. I should have used a clay bar instead, so I sanded it. Paint still looks to be okay. We didn't really go through the clear, so I'm going to try to just compound this. I'm debating on wrapping this or not, so I'm going to see if I can bring it back to the gloss black that it was. So we're going to be using the dual action sander, polisher. We got the Chemical Guys hex system, and we're going to be using some Meguiar's compound, and then we're going to be going up a different color, and we use the polish. Hopefully this will come out. So we're going to hit this now and see how it comes out, guys. Worst comes to worst, we'll wrap it, but I like the couple glossy kind of things that we have on this build. So we'll hop on this now. I'll give you guys a close-up real quick. Show you what I'm talking about. It's basically just sanding marks. So you guys see the discoloration here. That was from sanding. No big deal. So we'll polish it up and I think it'll come out pretty nice. First one we're going to go a little heavy because the pad is dry. Dab it around here. See here versus over here where it's all hazy and everything still. So this side looks a lot better. You guys another view. Looks to be pretty good. Could be better, but we'll do another pass. You guys, one more look here. So we still have the sanding marks, unfortunately, but it's a lot better than it was. From a little bit back, it looks actually pretty good. So like here, I like the contrast of the gloss black and everything. So we're probably going to keep this and learn for the next time of what to do and what not to do. But looking good. I'm all right with it. So now we're going to hit it with the white pad and the polish. Do the same thing and get that spoiler shining up real nice. So, quick look. We'll see how I feel about it. It didn't come out great. You still see all the sanding marks, and the polisher didn't really work the way that I wanted it to. So we might wind up wrapping this as well. But we'll get to that soon and see what we're gonna do with that. Alright guys, we're here to finish up the wrap on the Mustang. We sanded it down originally. We really shouldn't have done that. But what we're going to do is we sprayed it down with some isopropyl. We sprayed the entire area down so it's all nice and clean. And what we're going to do is we're going to wrap the spoiler and hope for the best with this now. Should be pretty easy. I don't think we need knifeless tape or anything around here. We should be able to just cut and go, and we'll get this done. And I think it'll look really nice. I think it'll look nicer with the matte, or with the gloss, but the matte will do, and so we're going to work on this. I'm gonna show you guys the wrap real quick, how it came out on the spoiler. I think it came out pretty good. No air bubbles, no streaks, no issues, no nothing. Came out good, guys. Very happy with the way that this came. So, getting better at it. So we're definitely getting better at this. It's a learning process. It's definitely an experience type thing. So if I had to redo this, it would come out a lot better. So learning curve, experience, all that, but all is said and done, wrapping's not too bad. So we're probably gonna do a couple other cars, guys. That's pretty much it for the Mustang build here, guys. We have the entire car wrapped. We got the suspension done. All we gotta do is throw on the tires. We have 2 more episodes left of this. We have one on the car rebuild in 10 minutes. Make sure you guys catch that. That's coming out pretty soon. And also the cost review of it. And we might do 1 more on it as well, so 3. And we'll do what we learned of it and what else we could do in the future. So subscribe down below, turn on those post notifications, like. Thank you guys for being here. Hopefully you guys be inspired by this. Just pick up a wrench, buy a car, do whatever you need to do. Just try to become a DIY salvage guy yourself.